Hello and welcome to this brief introduction to ClubsWHS. ClubsWHS is an online work health and safety management system designed to help club employees' mutual members manage their day-to-day WHS related activities. Both the desktop and dedicated mobile versions of the system are accessible via the clubswhs.com.au website. Here we're looking at the desktop version, which also displays on tablet devices. When members log in, they can edit their profile or go to the workplace or workplaces they have access to. If a member can access multiple workplaces, the My Workplace list displays. It can be accessed anytime via the Workplaces link in the Greetings tab, which displays permanently here at the top of the workplace. When a single workplace is being viewed, the workplace name, which is also a link to the workplace homepage, displays here. Directly below the Greetings tab is the module menu. The modules visible vary accordingly to individual user access settings. Here we're logged in as a workplace administrator, so we're seeing all modules available for this workplace. Mousing over the icon displays the module names, or the menu can be expanded to see larger icons. The workplace homepage, the first option in the module menu, provides quick access to various resources. The first is a list of current tasks that can be managed directly from the list. Next is the My Calendar area, which displays interactive reminders to individual responsible users for all date-sensitive records related to the workplace, such as the task due dates and staff and contractor qualification expiry dates. All calendar entries can be directly managed by mousing over the relevant icon. And the final function on the workplace homepage is the Other WHS Resources area. This contains a wealth of related documentation and features in some of the weekly tutorials workplace administrators receive as part of the system induction process. In addition to the workplace homepage, there are currently 17 other system modules, including 4 that relate to the contractor management. Navigating to a system module is as simple as selecting the relevant icon. Different modules have different purposes, which is explained in the module help area and the module-specific video tutorials, as well as the on-screen tooltips when adding and updating information. While different modules contain different functions, the user controls are simple and consistent across all modules. For example, to add a new hazardous substance, select the Add a New Record button. The same process applies when adding records to every module in the system. Adding, finding, managing and exporting information is simply a case of navigating to the relevant module and following the on-screen prompts that provide real-time feedback, such as a second chance before you commit to certain changes or delete records. And that concludes this brief introduction to the ClubsWHS system. For more information, please refer to the module and function-specific tutorials. Thanks for watching.